Policy Kitchen is
inspiring.
In one word.
Complex.
Creative, I'd say, yeah.
Encouraging.
Collaborative.
a more inclusive, participatory approach to policy making. We created Policy Kitchen because we felt that foreign policy and international affairs is usually done in very exclusive circles. Policy Kitchen allows us to draw together a very diverse crowd to collaboratively brainstorm solutions for the biggest challenges of our time.
Policy Kitchen also has the ambition to be a place where people can meet that live in different places across the world and can work on the same issues from different perspectives and different national contexts. In this COVID-19 world, it becomes even more relevant than it was when we started it.
Usually we start with a challenge, question, a problem to be solved. We then invite people from different backgrounds and perspectives to come together, mostly in workshops, physical or virtual, to brainstorm and go through a creative process to then come up with innovative solutions that we then propose to decision makers to take seriously.
For people like me who've been working on gender equality for a long time, I needed an open door to some fresh thinking. Hearing diplomats and academics speaking as they might not in a formal intergovernmental organisation setting was a real aid for me.